if you're a Nigerian mom or you're a mom, please, how do you cope? How are you coping? How are you coping? Because God, body pain don't finish me. Like, hello my beautiful people, good morning, welcome back to my channel. It does not be long I woke up, but that's why my face is swollen. Welcome back. So this period I've been working last week. I did not even have chance. Like, I've been working. Anyway guys, today is Friday and today is public holiday. Yeah, today is public holiday. So you guys, I pray I remember that I'm vlogging all that day. So you guys are going to spend your my day with me and my kids today. So I just finished editing my video. The last video I did, I even forgot about it, but I just finished editing it. So I want to export it now. So while exporting it, I'll be going to do one or two that. Hi guys. I ordered for my iPad, my YouTube editing, video editing, because the phone, while if I'm editing with my phone, is affecting my eye. So I ordered for it, and they said they're going to be sending it out today. Hopefully, maybe I'll get it tomorrow or today. I also plan on going live almost every day. So I pray that God help me. So I'll talk to you guys later, okay? Please stay tuned. Please watch my video to the end. Like and subscribe. Okay? It's raining season. Yeah. Guys, I don't know if I've shown you guys my work space. I'm not actually done with her. This is how it's looking. I got this track light, which I have not fixed. I've not fixed it. So I also got this white curtains that will have like two different backgrounds. So I want to arrange my room. Now, so I'm going to be showing you guys. Just like I said, this is a day in my life. So let's go do some work. I wanted to boil hot water. The water was already boiling, gas finished. So we are filling up the two gas. We forgot to fill up the reserve. My husband forgot to fill up the reserve. So I'm going to be doing like sweeping. I said it's not going to be around today, so I'm going to be like doing sweeping, arranging, bringing out the clothes I'm going to be wearing, because I'm also making soup today. Yeah, so I'm going to show you guys, but I'm not going to show you guys details of when I'm making the soup, because I want to go live while I'm doing that. So let's go do some work. I'm going to be fixing it here. It's fixed. I'm going to be charging. These clothes here are not dry. These clothes, so I'm going to be drying it out later. So it's charging. If you fold this my camera, don't understand. Where are you going to? Hi guys, so they took the light. They took the light while I was sweeping. So I'm done sweeping. I want to bathe my children. My sister went to fill up the gas, the 2 gas. Then when she come back, she'll start going to where she's going to. So I wanted to go with the kids to go fill it up. But my husband said, man is even shouting that because of, that one is long talk. So I want to go beat them now. So after beating them, myself I'll beat. Myself I'll beat because all my body is itching me. Then after beating them, stress them up. I know they are going to sleep. I know my Jota wants to sleep, so let me quickly go and beat them. At this point, they'll be bathing cold water. They enjoy cold water, so let me just go and beat them. Then so that I'll be able to be doing the remaining stuff gradually. Okay, let's go. So guys, I've finished bathing. All of us will bathe. I'm trying to make Jotam to sleep. So my sister is already back. She has gone out. So once they sleep now, I'll look for something. I feel like eating boiled egg. I'll check if I just have boiled egg. Then I want to try and make them sleep. When they sleep, myself I'll rest. I'll cook the soup, but the soup should be like maybe in the evening time or so, or anytime I just have energy because I want to rest. Yeah, I'll try. Maybe if they are hungry, maybe they will eat before they sleep. Anyone, I'll just warm the rice, white rice. We made stew yesterday, again Sunday, and next week for school. So I'll just give them. But for now, let me make your time to sleep and also upload my video on YouTube. So I'll see you guys later, maybe when they've slept or when I'm cooking. So I'll talk to you guys later, okay? But I'm done with my morning routine. Yeah, so I'll see you guys later. So guys, my baby is writing her assignment. The assignment is much. She's done with this one. Will you stop that? Will you stop that? Guys, let me show you guys. See, on this place, she's going to answer them here. But this one doesn't really take time like that. Don't do that, though. You do what you're doing. Jojo, see the way you're sweating. Hi, guys. It was a very, very stressful day. Like, I was so stressed that I did not even remember my phone. We went to the market. We are planning for our Women's Day in church. So I have a boss, a new boss I'm working with. And I'm also in one department in the church like that. So she asked me and one of my friend went her worker too. So we went on the chat to get all the stuff we'll be needing, all the gift item that day. It was a very stressful one. So it's not long I came back. I'm not even hungry. Though I ate, we bought fried rice that we ate. Not in Onitsha when we came back. So when I came back, I'm just tired. I'm not going to be eating again. So I asked my husband. My husband went to the church, so I asked him to get me fruits while coming back. So he got watermelon and mango, and I choose watermelon. The banga soup I said I will still make. I've not made it. We don't pass Friday. We don't pass Saturday. Hopefully tomorrow. Tomorrow I want to rest. I don't know how it's going to be, but I just want to rest. My face is looking stressed. My face is looking somehow. But let's see how it goes, Sha. So this is my watermelon. This watermelon is so juicy. So okay. So guys, let's unbox what I got from the market today. Just like I told you guys, I went to Onitsha. Maybe I just took watermelon. I said I want to rest. Strength came from nowhere. Strength came from nowhere. So guys, I was passing on. I was just passing on. Minding my business. Let's start with this one. You just do U-turn. And come back. And we say, okay, since we have no money with us, because when I was going to the market, I put 4 kg here in my pocket. This is looking dusty. It's looking dusty, but I got this. I'm going to get the cover from Temu. I'm going to get the cover. Like they have this rubber something they used to cover, like when you want to put fruits or food in the freezer. Maybe they say glass is better. Let's see this one. Come and see. So I got this coffee cup, a bit tea cup, to be easy to drink my tea. Now I've stopped breastfeeding. This beautiful red plate was what drew my attention. Then see this plate that I'll be using to serve my odogo. See this bowl plate. They are strong. I'm going to wash it, but I'll just pack it.
Welcome to my channel. No rude Jennifer, real life moments, and nothing filtered, mom life stories, love and laughter, everyday lifestyle, now and after. From the kitchen to the family time, sharing my truth one day at a time. If you love real life.